Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a logo in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and to add a logo to your website on Squarespace, first you need to log in to your account by filling your email address and password. On this page, click on this website button below your desired website. Click on Edit from the top and click on your logo first. Click again on your logo and click on this little pen. To upload your logo, click on this plus icon, select upload file, locate your logo on your computer and double click it. You can adjust your logo height for the desktop and also the mobile. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. You can upload a separate logo for mobile just from here and click anywhere on this page to close this window. Don't forget to save your work. To view my website with my new logo, click on Exit, then click on Settings, Domains and Email, Domains, Built-in Domain, select your website domain name and click Open Incognito window. And this is how to add a logo in Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.